this really a lion in the stadium? No, it's not. It's augmented reality. Augmented reality is an enhanced version of the real world, like what we see here in the Snapchat. So, augmented reality can be used for different purposes in different places, like to see if an outfit suits us, like what's happening here in the store, or like in education to see how things work in the real world. So, it depends how we use it, or to know like the guest speaker or people around us also in different languages. So Mondly Languages present Mondly Languages AR. It's an app that is part of Mondly Languages that has also the Mondly VR. It's available on Google Play and also on the App Store from Apple. So all you need to do is like to sign up for it. Like you need to register with your email, create a password, and then follow instructions as can be seen here. And after following the instructions, uh, you should actually download the Mondly AR. So first you need to download the main one because in there you can subscribe and pay the subscription, which is $9.99 per month. There are some features available for free for Mondly AR, but it's not complete. So I was curious about it, so I paid it and to see what's going on that app. So first you need actually to choose the language that you speak. In this case, I chose American English. So I clicked on American English in there. So this is the language I'm speaking, and I want to learn, for example, French in this case. So I put French here, and then there we go. So I have three options for conversations. I have like greetings, a conversation at a restaurant, and a conversation at the hotel, at the reception, like how to check in a hotel. Also, there is another option there, which is listen. So in listen, you have different categories like introducing or introduction, and also we have space, musical instruments, animals, and these actually concerned with learning a new vocabulary using AR. And also, there are some sentences that I can learn from these features. So, if I want to choose American English and I choose different language, what we can see here. So I want to choose Arabic. I want to learn Arabic. And if I do that, I will have only three options here, the conversation options. So there is no option for the lesson or for the vocabulary. And let's choose another language and see if it's gonna be the same or it's gonna be different. So in this case, I will choose another language. So here we have Persian, and I picked up Persian and the same thing. And it happens with Hebrew and other languages that don't use Latin characters. I think this is the main thing. So if the language is not using Latin character, then there will be only three options, the conversation options. But if I choose a language like German, so I will have the lesson options in there. So how it works? So let me go over like how it works. So for example, like if I want to learn like vocabulary, it shows like the word in French, and also like try to present a physical object in the augmented reality. Like here we have an elephant.
Un éléphant.
So I say an
That's
elephant.
correct. You are good at this.
There is another feature which is really good also, is that like I can actually come closer to the object. I can stand up and go to the object and go around it, and it will show me like a new vocabulary in there. So a trunk, and things like that. And this is the solar system.
Saturne, Jupiter, Soleil, Terre.
So the app have actually some interesting features in there. For example, like the digital human can make some jokes or talks about different topics, or also give some general information. And I will show you some videos that uh, present what I'm talking about here.
Nice. You are good at this. I just remembered a joke. Do you know why there's no party on the moon? Because there's no atmosphere. Did you know that our solar system is 4.6 billion years old? Did you know that with their eyes, eagles can see as much as 8 times further than people?
And there is also like after presenting some words, it asks you like to say something like a sentence in the target language. Like if you would like to have like some soup or something like that. Okay, now let's go
Bonjour.
to the conversation section, and here we have like a waitress. So this is a conversation like in a restaurant.
Que désirez-vous pour le petit déjeuner?
So here it's asking me to choose one
Je voudrais un verre de vin blanc.
and repeat it. And another thing here, we have the at the hotel how to check in. So bon après-midi, salut.
Sorry, I didn't hear you. Can you please speak louder?
Bon, quel type de chambre désirez-vous?
So I should pick one response and repeat it, and then she will respond to it. So I have the option here to get a pronunciation and then say it. So when it comes to rating on the Apple Store, it has like 3.9, and on the Google Store 3.3 stars out of 5. And I used my Android phone, and it seems that it doesn't work, and I couldn't see the digital human in there or anything, so there was no response, and that's why maybe they get like 3.3. But some people, they were able to use it on Android, so I believe it's working. Another thing is that you have like to pay for it to get it, so that was another option. And like some people give good reviews, people they don't like it, and there is another glitch about it, so you can see it here.
Can you please speak louder?
Un bagel.
So it asked me to speak louder and louder and louder, and it keeps doing that, which is really sometimes is annoying. And even like I get some reviews like saying that, and I find this very consistent. So they need actually to fix it. And as you can see here, people are complaining about it. People, like it, but you see this review is complaining about the glitch, and you can go there and see the reviews for Google and also for the Apple Store. So let's say here overall the app is really has many great features. It's not an app on its own, it's a supporting app. So it's part of the Mondly languages app, and it has like the AR feature, the VR feature. So that's really a great thing. So this makes Mondly languages stand out from other apps with the AR and VR apps. Although I have to pay for them, but I think the whole experience may be worth it. Also, the AR app is good for visual learners since it has a lot of visuals, so students can interact or learners can interact with the digital human and can see things on the screen. So that's one thing. Another thing, I think the app needs to have more content, like the lessons for some languages, and more conversations, of course. It needs also to work on the glitch when I'm speaking or somebody is speaking, so that's another thing. Finally, I noticed that Chinese is not an option there, so you cannot learn Chinese on the monthly languages AR. So I think that's all from me. So I think it's a great app. So tell me what you think about it in the comments. Thank you for watching.